Today we have the 2018 Peugeot 3008. This vehicle has done just under 85,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and automatic headlights. To the right, we have automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, smartphone integration, our driving functions and vehicle settings, navigation, climate control, and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Get a good view of our panoramic roof.